Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Freaking Button on Roblox. So I don't know what we're doing now. I think this is a mini game, and I don't see the ball because I just joined the game. I think it's probably loading in. All I know, oh shoot, diamond! Yay, someone scored. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Gosh darn it. Okay, I'm going on. I can't. Okay, I barely made that. I'm going on green. Please be green. Don't. Okay, if you. I meant to say, please don't be green. It's not gonna be yellow. Because last round, it was yellow. The one, please. Phew. What diamond? I'll take that. I'm, uh, I'm gonna go to blue. Blue sounds safe. Is this? Are you kidding me? Alright, that sucks. Oh shoot, I'm in a different minigame. Don't press the button. Hey. Oh shoot, this looks sick. Wee. Wait, let me get more height. But light. Woohoo! Ooh, diamond. Yum yum. What can we buy? We can donate. I don't got enough Robux for that. Oh shit, what is it? What's happening? Oh. Man, I wasn't ready. Okay, let's see what's Robux job. I'm not. Bees? 100 diamonds. I have 2 diamonds. Item shop, speed coil, 200. I can't afford these. What's the epic duck? Ice cream. Okay, I'm not buying any of this. I don't think I'll grind enough. Me press button. Yes. Yo, shoot the freak. Oh, it's a victory royale. What? Never mind. Alright. What's it lagging? Don't crash, please. Why is it lagging so hard? Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Faster than all ya. Whee! Oh, no, I don't want to get pooped out. Ugh, disgusting. I always die. Why? Allow me. Huh. I actually gave her pressing the button. Let me press it. I pressed it. What happened? Just lag. Crap, always lag. Might have to rejoin. What's it say on the shirt? No. What is happening? Where? I'm gonna have to be right back. Oh, tsunami coming. Wait, what? How do I? Okay, I'm following these kids. Grab it! Well, an invisible tsunami just killed me. Oh, crap's like, I'm gonna rejoin a server. Bruh. I guess I can't play. Look. Oh, shoot. What? Never mind. I guess I can play. Just for a little bit. Bruh, I cannot play. I literally can't. I, 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 I literally can't. I can draw, but I cannot play the game. Something's wrong with my Wi-Fi. Oh wow! Now it happens. Resolve this. Let's play. Play. Come on. I'm in the game, but it's still laggy. Yellow. Hey, mister. Why are you so gray? There's nothing in his head. He's brainless. Uh, uh, I'm just gonna end the video here. It's way too much lag. Yeah. Bruh. What the freak, dude? I can't even. Help. Help. Please help. Please help, please help, please help, please help, please help. Never mind. Alright. I'm in the video. You guys have a nice day. Stay positive. And uh uh yes.